host, Mike with Skolton's Equipment, and to continue our series going that we did with the baler, where we had the technicians run the baler in the field and learn about the products that they work on, we had the opportunity a few days ago to get a field nearby where we were able to use our mowers with our tractors, our triple mowers and our Axion tractors, and get the technicians in the seat and people in the cloth shop, as we call it, the opportunity to run the machines, get a feel for them, how they work, how everything communicates with each other. And behind me is one of them. We had the Claas 880 Axion out there. This one's hooked to the 9200 Auto Swaz with the mergers in the back, and then we got the 3600 Disco Move on the front. This one does have mergers in the back, but we weren't using the mergers because the guy was going to make hay in that field, so we didn't have the chance to actually merge anything that day. But we got a little highlight reel of what we did, and everyone hopefully in the seat running the machines. And the triple mowers, it may look kind of like, yeah, you're just mowing a field, but this is a very integral setup, because you have a front mower and you have back mowers and you have a tractor. They all have to work together, but not at the same time. So the raise and lower, sometimes any turning, you're on the headlands. And the cool thing about these tractors is they're Claas tractors, Claas mowers, and they're Isobus compatible. So the mowers talk to the tractor, and you can use the tractor screen to move the mowers. And not only that, but this tractor also has sequence management built into the CBIS control handle that you have your hand on most of the time. So you press 1 to lower the mowers in a sequence, and then when you're done with that headland, you press 2 and it raises the front one first, then you come a little bit further and it raises the back ones. You'll see that in the videos. It's a very cool setup, but some people may not understand that all that needs to be set up, and it's not just as simple as hooking up the mowers, turning on the PTO and going. Getting those sequences set up makes for an easy day. And to top that off, this one's got GPS on it. We have the Greenstar 6000 receiver on it, and we were auto steering while we were mowing. And so pretty much you press a button, 2 buttons, let go of the wheel, and it did everything for you on this tractor. The other tractor, the 930 Axion we had in the field, did not have GPS in it, but we did have the sequences set up. But one of the things was the guys were saying was that 880 is definitely a much nicer ride because it had GPS. They're very they're the same almost ride quality, and the exact same cab, just one had GPS and one didn't. But come along and take a look.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
use the audio.